They really like or they dislike a lot. It's just got all those clover and mints and different kind of smells to it that they react to. What is that? What is that? You're gonna lick it all off? Hmm?
Oh. Do you want in on the chaos?
What are you doing down there? You're licking all my medicine off my hand up there. You're licking all my medicine off. I don't have any more with me. It's in the car. Oh God, you're so sweet. You're so silky. And all the purring that goes on in kitten rooms. My gosh. So much purring. Hello. Hello. Purring. They purr so easily.
What's that? That was one of the users.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put this here. Now, where's mine? It's mine. Oh, what are you scared of? Why are you running high all the time? Oh my, more licks. Oh my. Yeah, this room is really, oh hello down there. What are you doing, sweetie? Hello.